What's up, guys? Carter here. Now, I'd love to tell you that all the products that are good for the earth are interesting and sexy. Truth is, they're not. And this one product in particular, it's kind of dry. Okay, bad joke. It's drywall. People think of drywall. It's this chalky substance stuck between two boards, and we throw it up on the walls in our house. What's not green about that? But it's actually not very green. Slim. This is Slim here. He's kind of the loud guy. Okay, drywall is actually made up of gypsum, which gypsum we have to mine out of the ground. And mining that raw material has a significant cost on the earth. But that's starting to change as the building trades look at a greener future. Now, there are some companies that are looking to take the lead, like National Gypsum, who are starting to think outside the box in the way they get their gypsum to make their product. Take a look. National Gypsum produces enough drywall every year to circle the earth 14 times if placed end to end. It's obvious by their name that gypsum is their drywall's main ingredient. But they figured out a way to get their gypsum from an alternate source that was literally letting the material go up in smoke. Confused? Let's rewind. Most people today rely on coal-fueled power plants to supply their energy. They're a necessary evil because alternative energy is still limited. This plant alone provides power to 2 million households. It's a little technical, but follow me here. Coal-fueled power plants emit sulfur dioxide, but before that dangerous gas is let out into the air, the plant is required to clean it, and when that process is complete, gypsum is the byproduct that's left over. So how does waste product from a coal-fueled power plant turn into material you'd use to build walls in your home? The dangerous sulfur dioxide gas is mixed with limestone, and that creates a chemical reaction. That chemical reaction captures the SO2. What's left over is synthetic gypsum. Gypsum that's more pure than the stuff we've been pulling out of the earth for years. Now, if there wasn't anywhere to use this gypsum, it would go into a landfill. But instead, it's shipped to National Gypsum's drywall manufacturing factory. Once it gets to the drywall factory, the synthetic gypsum is mixed with some other fluids, then sandwiched between two pieces of special recycled paper, which bond everything together. The liquid, which is made up of thousands of needle-like crystals, solidifies so strong that it's just as good, if not better, than other drywall that uses real gypsum taken from the earth. The boards go down conveyor belts as they solidify and are cut to length right before they get too hard. They're flipped and dried out before being taped, stacked, and shipped, but these boards have to withstand a lot. There was an episode of Carter Can where we tore down really old drywall, and it probably wasn't as strong as it should have been. So are these drywall boards strong enough? They make sure that what's shipped out to you passes industry standards, and that means the board has to withstand 110 pounds. All right, so here's the deal. If you want to build a house and make as little impact on the earth as possible, this is a fantastic way to get a great solid foundation. Now, you can actually get National Gypsum Drywall at approximately the same price as other drywall of the same grade. And by using National Gypsum, you'll be helping to keep over 1,300 tons of gypsum out of the landfills every day. Just a thought. Peace.